Hi, it's Fiona Fernandez. I'm live. I'll be live tonight as well, but I thought I'd go live now to open up my new BBB, big brown box. Actually, it's more of a medium brown box, but it finally arrived. They had a few delays this time with COVID and all that. So I've got some new stuff in here from Sale.A.Bration. Give me a holler if you're joining me if you want to, or just watch. That's okay too. So I love opening my boxes. I had to wait because I was busy. I'm getting ready for my Red Nose Day event on Friday night, which is all very exciting. Got a whole lot of prizes, so I put a little thing up about that today. So you always get a thank you, and it has a list of all your the things you've got. So always check your order when you get it. Make sure everything's okay, and if it's not, let me know, or let Stampin' Up know. And this is the new penguin paper. Look at that. Look at those cute penguins. Penguin Playmates. So this is in the Sale.A.Bration catalogue. So if you don't have a demonstrator already and you'd like a catalogue, let me know. That's the Sale.A.Bration. So that's the little one. And the current catalogue, you've got your annual catalogue as well as the mini catalogue. Mine's getting a bit worn. Look, I keep on reading it and looking through it. So they're the catalogues. If you want a copy, just let me know. I'm happy to post them out. So this is within Australia. So that is so cute. I've got to decide what I'm going to play with tonight in my life. I've decided. I can't remember if I decided yet. I have to look in my diary. I bought some basic white 12 by 12 cardstock. So the cardstocks come in that size as well as A4. And you can buy them. There's a whole range of them in the annual catalogue or online. So I just got a couple more cardstocks because I'm getting a bit low doing my classes, and I need a few new ones. Missy Meadow, Old Olive. So I think I've opened the box upside down because the thank you is normally at the bottom and the air is normally at the top. So the air's down there right now. Never mind. So this is something out of the mini catalogue. Wonderful Snowflakes. Look how wonderful they are. Oh, I've got shiny. I have to open that. Hey, let's open one. Get a bit carried away. Let's see what they look like. Oh, they're actually quite shiny. You see that? And they just pop out. I won't pop it right out, but they're already cut out, so you just pop them out. So you can use those without needing to use the die cut machine. Just nice. Got some giving gift dies, and that will go with one of these. Time of Giving, I think it is. Time of Giving. And the dies, I bought this because I wanted some leaves, and see how it's got leaves in it. There's another set in the catalogue with leaves, but I had a look at this one. I'm just trying to get good value for myself and everybody else, of course. And I liked it because it had so many things in it. It's got more leaves in the dies. Leaves here on the stamps, so they'll cut out, these dies will cut out the stamps. These dies here. So you've got the dies to cut out the stamps. You've also got more dies, which is great. So I've got lots of leaves going on, but you've also got little tag things that you can make as well. I really liked the look of that one. That's why I grabbed that. So that's in your mini catalogue on page such and such. And it's towards the back. Let's have a quick flick through here and find it. Here it is. Page 61. And it's called Time of Giving Bundle. So if you buy it as a bundle like I did, the two together, you get 10% off your bundles. So that's really cool. See some of these samples, what you can do with it. So I do really like that. For all the variety involved there. And I'll just check the Sale.A.Bration. So if you join at the moment, you also get a free bundle. I'm not sure if that one's in it or not. Gorgeous Leaves is in it, so the leaf one is in it. So you can choose from these bundles. If you join, you get a free bundle. So ask me about that if you want more information. Now I'm going to do, so I've set my classes for the rest of the year, and I've put the names of them at the moment in my Stampin' Up byfihandcrafts.net website in the calendar. So the 4th Saturday of the month I do an online Zoom, and I've set out what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be using the Artistically Inked for one of them. And I got the Time Worn Type 3D embossing folder. It's got lots of type in it. I won't open them all now. We'll just have a quick look. Tailor-made tag dies. So that's for tags. This is one of the free Sale.A.Bration items. And this is if you spend $180. Look at this stamp. It's so detailed what you get out of that. So I'll just open that. So you get 2 lots of stamps. So you actually stamp with one and then the other so that you get the detail depth of the colouring in. And then you can colour it in as well if you want to. Shade it more. So that's really lovely. I'm looking forward to getting that one. This is the new twine, Simply Elegant trim. So I've got the gold and the silver in there. I love that sort of trim. And this is the penguins that go with the punch. So these are in the catalogue, and the paper, the DSP I showed you, designer series paper, is in the Sale.A.Bration as a free item. But if you spend $90, you get a free item. So the penguin lace, let me just have a look at what page that's on. Just have a look in here. So if you look in the back of your catalogue, it's got where everything is. And the penguins are here. Oh, you can't see that. Got my cords in the way. Page 33. The penguins. Let me just flick to that one. There it is. So the penguin place bundle is $54.75. So you get a punch as well as the stamps. That's that one. I'm going to do a class on that one as well. And the artistic dies goes with the artistically inked. Artistically inked. So that's what I got in my box today. Thanks for joining me. And I'll catch you again. I'll be live tonight at 8:30 to make a card or two. So come and join me then if you want to come and do some stamping or just relax and have a cuppa. That's fine. See you then. Ciao.